Welcome to the new episode of The Wisdom Shop. Today we are going to talk about how we can organize every day to achieve maximum productivity. This is going to be a little different concept, so let's begin. Number 1. Multitasking is a myth. Suppose I have given you a task of cooking your food and filling your water bottles. Will you do both at the same time? I think no, as we humans are naturally programmed to do a particular activity at a time. If you try to do both work, then it will make you less efficient. As there is a saying, a man running behind two rabbits catches neither. Number 2. Minimize the number of decisions you make per day. Have you ever thought why highly successful people used to wear similar clothes every day? Because they don't indulge themselves in unimportant things. That's why they able to take great decisions of their life. Don't worry, you don't have to wear same clothes every day. But you can categorize your decisions which you make on your daily basis by doing important things first and less important later. Number 3. Avoid distractions. In this digital era, we have unlimited facilities which we can access through internet. But great power comes with great responsibilities. You can schedule or regulate usage of your gadgets according to your work. A single notification is enough to break your concentration. It is better to keep your devices silent while working. In past few years, our attention span is so much decreased that we are unable to focus on one thing for a long period of time. So to conclude, these 3 points are so effective which will help you to live your life in an organized way. Discipline is the key of consistency, and consistency leads to productivity. Give a direction to your daily life. Remember, modern problems require modern solutions. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day.